Welcome, it is dlight College. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove password on your OKing phone. After power on, need the password. Incorrect, incorrect, incorrect. So we have to power off our phone, then we switch on the program. After, we have to download Infinite Box platform detector, which will help us to detect which kind of AC or processor. So after detect SPD or speedy drum communication, in the bracket SPD. So we have to open Miracle Thunder 2.82. After open, we go to SPD. Then read information for all model of ITIL or SPD, or phone which adds SPD. We try to use 6671 ESP boot. This boot, then we're going to start. After start, the boot key which you will phone is this upper key. We hold this, then we plug in USB. We placed it on our phone is this upper key. We hold this, then we plug in USB. After hold, plug in USB. Bootloader 63, not 63, is 33. There are a lock, screen lock 011, screen lock 22111, unlock code 1525, screen lock 3111. So we're going to power on our phone, then we're going to try. After flash, remove bit, then insert again, power on your phone. So we're going to try 0111, incorrect, 2111, incorrect, 1525. That's it. Thanks for support. It is dlight College. For more videos and more video, don't miss to subscribe to our channel and the software fix. In the description there are links for this channel, software fix. So subscribe to get more videos. We're going to turn off password. Thanks for your support. It is dlight College. Private rock 1525. We're going to power off all. Thanks for supporting dlight College.